In the far north of Sweden, where the Arctic sky meets vast mountain wilderness, you'll find Scandinavia's most impressive ski destination. Here, skiers enjoy more than just excellent snow conditions. The magical northern lights dance overhead while you carve through pristine Swedish powder, and the unique midnight sun in spring lets you ski around the clock. Sweden's ski culture blends world-class terrain with Scandinavian design, sophistication, and a warmth that makes every visitor feel welcome. Plus, your money stretches further here compared to Switzerland or Norway's premium resorts. Let's explore everything you need to know about Åre, Scandinavia's largest and most legendary ski resort. Åre sits 600 kilometers north of Stockholm, in the heart of Swedish Lapland. The vertical drop measures 890 meters, with over 100 kilometers of marked runs, served by 41 lifts, including the iconic Cabinbanan cable car. The resort receives consistent snowfall from November through May, with temperatures regularly dropping below -20 Celsius in midwinter, guaranteeing excellent snow preservation. This is where Sweden comes to ski, and where the world is slowly discovering something truly special. Getting here is more straightforward than you might think. Åre Östersund Airport sits just 90 kilometers away, with SAS and Norwegian operating direct flights from Stockholm taking barely an hour. Airport transfers run approximately 300 to 400 SEK per person, with rental cars also available. For a more scenic route, the SJ Nord train from Stockholm takes 5 hours, passing through spectacular Swedish wilderness and arriving directly in Åre village centre. From Oslo, the drive takes roughly 5 hours via the E14. Once in Åre, you won't need a car. Now let's talk about the skiing itself. The terrain divides into 3 distinct zones, each with its own personality and purpose. First up is Åre, by the main village zone and the beating heart of the resort. This is where most of the action happens. Directly accessible via the Cabinbanan cable car and the VM6 high-speed chair Åre By, offers the most varied terrain on the entire mountain. For advanced skiers, the famous World Cup slopes, including Olympiabacken, provide genuine steep terrain that tests technique and nerve. From the Åre Sweden summit at 1,420 meters, extensive off-piste terrain opens up in every direction. Åre By is also where all the après-ski restaurants and nightlife concentrate. Second is Duved, located 8 kilometers west of the main village. Duved is Åre's quiet side, and it's absolutely perfect for families and those seeking uncrowded, peaceful slopes. Wide, gentle runs like Mulchansbacken provide ideal learning terrain with minimal traffic and zero intimidation. The atmosphere here is relaxed and friendly, with families particularly appreciating the shorter lift lines and calm environment. Advanced skiers won't find major challenges here, but Duved works perfectly as a warm-up zone or recovery day destination when your legs need a break from the steeper stuff. Third is Björnen, sitting between the 2 main zones. The name means the bear in Swedish, and this zone delivers a gentle, welcoming embrace for absolute beginners and young children. The terrain is predominantly green and easy blue runs. A dedicated snowpark caters to younger freestyle enthusiasts, learning their first jumps and rails. Ski School Operations Centre here, with excellent children's programs that Swedish families trust completely. If you're bringing children or complete beginners to Åre, this is where you'll spend your first days before naturally progressing to Duved and eventually the main Åre By zone. Overall terrain breakdown runs approximately 20% green for beginners, 55% blue and red for intermediates, and 25% black, plus extensive off-piste for advanced and expert skiers. This balance makes Åre genuinely suitable for all levels. Intermediates own the majority of this mountain, with long flowing runs that reward clean carving and let you build real speed. But don't let Scandinavia's gentle reputation fool you. The expert terrain off Åre Sweden summit delivers sustained steep pitches through the Bräcka and Tverovalvet areas that challenge even the strongest skiers. When the conditions align after a major storm, the off-piste zones hold cold smoke powder that genuinely rivals any destination in Europe. But here's what truly separates Åre from every other ski resort on the planet. From December through February, the Aurora Borealis frequently dances across the Arctic sky in waves of green, purple, and pink. On clear nights with strong geomagnetic activity, you can literally ski beneath the shimmering curtains of the Northern Lights. No alpine resort, no Rocky Mountain resort, nowhere else in mainstream skiing offers this experience. Then, in late April and May, the opposite phenomenon occurs. The midnight sun keeps the sky bright around the clock, and spring skiing sessions extend well past midnight with perfect corn snow and endless golden daylight. Imagine skiing at 11 p.m. in full sunshine with soft spring snow beneath your skis. It's surreal, and it's only possible at these northern latitudes. Lift passes for the 2026 season run approximately 650 SEK for a single day, roughly 55 to 60 euros. A 6-day pass costs around 2,800 SEK. Children under 7 ski completely free, making Åre genuinely accessible for families on a budget. The village itself combines Swedish design sophistication with genuine mountain town character. The pedestrianised main square sits directly at the base of the Cabinbanan cable car, putting you steps from both lifts and après-ski. Bygget is the legendary slopeside bar, where locals and visitors mix from the moment the last lift closes. Broken Bar and Diplomat Öregården keep the party going into the evening with a friendly, unpretentious atmosphere that feels very Swedish. For dining, Vinbären offers excellent wine paired with contemporary Swedish cuisine, while Hummel delivers hearty mountain food perfect after a cold day on the slopes. Villa Torrebo holds prestige among Swedish foodies for refined dining. Accommodation ranges from ski-in, ski-out luxury at Copperhill Mountain Lodge to budget hostels and traditional Swedish mountain cabins. Self-catering apartments work brilliantly for families and groups seeking value without sacrificing location. Key insider tips before you go. Burst timing matters enormously at this latitude. In December and January, daylight lasts only 5 to 6 hours, so plan your skiing efficiently and absolutely embrace night skiing to maximize your time. By March, daylight extends dramatically and conditions are often at their best. Second, the Cabinbanan cable car queues badly on weekend mornings. Skip it entirely and take the VM6 chair to reach mid-mountain, then traverse to upper lifts. You'll save 20 to 30 minutes on busy days. Third, for powder days, the north-facing terrain left of Hummerliften holds fresh snow longest because most visitors stick to the main groomed runs. Fourth, book Northern Lights night skiing sessions in advance as they sell out during peak Aurora season. Wednesday nights are slightly less crowded than Saturdays. Fifth, bring serious cold weather gear. -20°C is common in January. Heated base layers, quality gloves, and hand warmers make the difference between an incredible day and a miserable one. The pros: Scandinavia's largest ski area with genuine terrain variety for every level from complete beginner to expert. Northern Lights and Midnight Sun skiing experiences available absolutely nowhere else on Earth. Shorter lift lines and a more relaxed, friendly atmosphere than overcrowded alpine mega resorts. Excellent family infrastructure, particularly across the Björnen and Duved zones. Unique Swedish culture design, sophistication, and outstanding cuisine add real character beyond the skiing itself. The cons: limited vertical at 890 meters compared to major alpine destinations offering 2,000 meters plus. Extreme cold in midwinter demands serious gear investment and mental preparation. Very limited daylight hours in December and January restrict daytime skiing. Higher prices than Eastern European alternatives, though competitive with Western European resorts. Long travel distances from most international origins make weekend trips impractical. That's your complete guide to Åre, Scandinavia's largest and most unique ski resort. If you want something genuinely different from the alpine mainstream, a ski experience with northern lights overhead, uncrowded slopes, Swedish sophistication, and natural phenomena no other continent offers, then Åre is calling your name. Feel free to comment which experience excites you more, the Northern Lights or the Midnight Sun skiing. If you want to see future guides, make sure to subscribe to our channel.